Nah, I don't believe you. Did that ever happen to you or you or you? Think back since childhood where you said, Mommy, Mommy, or Daddy, Daddy, or the worst, Teacher, Teacher, and you heard the same thing. I don't believe you. What was it? It was your voice tone. Be aware that more than vocal variety, it's your voice tone. Let me give you a classic example. Typical Monday morning meeting. Big boss, chairman, walks in and says, Team, I'm absolutely delighted to see all of you. Delighted? Did that sound like I was delighted? Anybody put on your microphone? Did I sound delighted? No, that is right. And the first one to shake his head was Tom. Yeah, Tom, can you imagine the first time you decided to be brave enough to say those magic words? And imagine if you said it to Mina, I love you. Oh my gosh. I don't think that would work, right? I mean, if you sounded, I love you. If you want to sound romantic, maybe you want to record on your cell phone. Maybe you want to go to YouTube, find out what's the right tone. Now, if you say, but I really sound like that. Well, if you keep doing what you're doing, you're gonna keep getting what you're getting. It was this bright guy named Einstein who said, insanity is doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results. You say, that's nothing. Eh, nah, eh. Think again. Before we had visuals, many, many, many years ago, we started with radio. That is what kept people connected throughout the war. Seeing you. No, I'm not that old. I wasn't alive yet. Okay. But that's how people stayed connected. Realize, think about this. Do you know that when the baby is in the tummy of the mommy, it reacts to voice tone? Please, if you or some friends and relatives ever get pregnant, please, 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 I beg of you, do not have shouting matches or battles or watch horror or angry movies. The baby can hear. You don't believe me? Well, do your research. They even have recordings of music. There's a strap, and you play that music right by the tummy of the baby. Remember, anything you say or do not give people the opportunity to say, I don't believe you. And please, since I mentioned babies, when children are growing up, I fail to understand what's with this voice tone when mommy or caregiver says, don't do that. Notice like this, but don't do that. Smiling face. I'm angry now. The child is so confused, but you don't sound angry. So please match your voice tone with the words you're saying. And the worst of all is, I don't know about where you are, but this happens in my country. When someone breaks something like an expensive jar, they come up to me and say, Mom, laughing. Don't get angry, Mom. Okay. Mom, I broke your vase. Mom, sorry, sorry. You're saying sorry, but your voice tone is so happy laughing. Again, I don't believe you. And then you get angrier when people that you find out that you're not credible. Remember, out of the 4 pillars of this wonderful organization, the first pillar is integrity. Say what you mean, say what you'll do. Then do what you say and do what you mean. And being public speakers, we want to deliver. And you say body language means a lot. Yeah, but we have Spotify and the young ones like millennials and Gen Z, they just put their earbuds on, do 2 million things they like to listen. Visuals are important, yes. But remember, when they hear something and say, yeah, I'll just change. I don't believe the speaker. Put it in your heart, put it in your mind. Anything you say or do should never, never, never be, that's 3 never stop. Never be about you. It's what service are you giving? What help are you assisting people with? Why should they give you their time to listen to you? With those thoughts in mind, remember what you want in life is to move from, I don't believe you, to, I believe this person. I want to do what this person is saying. I want to help and be of service to others. Yes, I believe you, Mr. or Miss Speaker, and I hope you believe me too. Sending you my little message with lots of love from Manila.
Wow, 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 wow. You're so right. How important vocal variety is. And this is one of the skills we learn at Toastmasters. One of them. We got so many skills that to come out here knowing things that we didn't know. Yes. Thank you so much. Beautiful message. We all learned, and it was funny as well to listen to you. Thank you.